Good afternoon, students, faculty, and staff. Today we are here to talk about a very serious topic, school safety. As you likely saw in the news, there was a deadly shooting at a school in Santa Clarita just last week. One of the reasons that so many lives were spared is because the students and teachers said that they felt prepared for that event. At Loyola, we know it's extremely unlikely that any violence would transpire on our campus, but it's still important to be prepared. By now, every faculty, staff, and student has been educated on ALICE. This is our emergency response protocol in the event of a threatening or dangerous situation on our campus. ALICE stands for Alert, Lockdown, Inform, Counter, and Evacuate. This is a way of thinking, not an order of operations. The goal is to get away from danger. Here you'll see a map that shows the most logical ways for us to evacuate from campus. But you should run wherever you can and most easily get to safety. If you can't get away, today we're going to talk about lockdown. This homeroom is an opportunity for you and your teachers to discuss and enact strategies if you were in danger. Mr. Galarza will talk to you about how to implement an enhanced lockdown.
Good afternoon. As Mr. Annarelli stated, being prepared is very important. If there is no chance of evacuation and you find you need to implement a lockdown, you should not hesitate once the decision is made. Let's all take a moment now to look around and get familiar with your area. Knowing what is around and available to help secure and barricade your space will help ensure your ability to barricade in a quick and effective manner. Tables, chairs, extension cords, and other items can be moved and used quickly to ensure you secure entryways. Each room has pieces of fire hose that should be used to slip over the door closer's hinge to further deter anyone outside access to your area. The idea is to not give the shooter a chance to even get in. Be mindful of windows on the first floor. You should try to eliminate or stay out of line of sight from the danger zone. Once barricaded, spread out around the room and prepare to counter by grabbing objects to throw or moving around the room and creating distraction. If necessary, fight. In today's lockdown drill, we want you to practice actually locking your space down, using anything practical to help ensure no access to your area. Without hurting yourself or others, plan ahead. Try not to barricade before possibly tying the door down or blocking your ability to use the fire hose. Think quickly on how you can better manage securing that entryway and act fast. Afterwards, take time to talk about what worked and what didn't.
Now that you've heard from Mr. Galarza about strategies for locking down, you and your teachers have the chance to have a discussion about your particular classroom and the different possibilities in the event of an emergency. I ask students and teachers to engage in a discussion around those topics now. Teachers, your questions for discussion are included in the email that you use to access this video. Shortly, you will receive a PA announcement and a message on your phones, prompting us to do a lockdown drill. This will only be a drill, but we do ask that you take action, wait until you receive word from the PA or messaging system before dismissing for lunch.